Real-time eye autofocus. The autofocus on this camera is trash. What's up, internet? It's Josh Becker again, a guy you have never heard of. The other day I broke down and finally ordered that new Sony a7sIII, and my trusty Amazon 2-day shipping showed up, and here we are. Here's a little disclaimer for you. It's also a story about me as a person. I don't do a ton of research, so there's gonna be things in this box that surprise me just as much as they might surprise you. So, without further ado, let's open this mother. It's a lot of knife for the job. Wouldn't it be funny if this was like my toothpaste that I left on auto order? They do that sometimes. That is not toothpaste. It's not toothpaste at all. Oh, $3,500 plus tax. The new guy. I'm the new guy. Broken? Does that sound broken? No, that's paperwork. The box is beautiful. I like how the stats are on the box. I'm gonna learn some things from the box itself. Here we go. All right, we got a bunch of crap I will look at later, but the camera itself is still the E-mount system, so all of my lenses fit the new camera. This is the USB-C. That's kind of cool. The USB-C charger. That's an upgrade. Oh my God, that's really pretty. What if we can see that? You see that? Leather, that's nice. $3,500 gives me that. This was my one big concern is, here's the battery charger for this thing. I know it takes Z-type batteries. Do I have Z-type batteries? No, that doesn't fit. Oh man. All the batteries that I have for this a7 II, they're not gonna fit the new camera. So now I have to spend another $100, $200, $300 on new batteries. This was very easy to find out. I just didn't bother. I mean, I wanted the new camera. I got to get the new camera. I have old batteries. Who cares? Can I just get to the good stuff here? There's still stuff in the box, but whatever. Check this out. Hi! Messing with you. New Sony a7sIII. This is a piece of art. I don't know how to convey to you the feeling you get from just holding it in your hand. It doesn't smell like anything, and that's a beautiful thing. Or I have COVID. Now I'm concerned. No, I can smell that. That smells like metal. But oh my God, it's so sexy. This guy shoots 120 frames a second, 4K video in the god darn dark. And these little guys, they don't jingle. What is that? Oh, is that the flip out screen that's gonna solve all of my problems? Hello, flip out screen. Making videos, but I can look at myself. And here's why that's nice. And here's also why I'm an idiot. When I started this YouTube channel, I had my a7 II that has the traditional screen. Comes out like this, then it does a little bit of that. You can never see yourself. So I try to set up a little monitor. So I just bought 2 HDMI mini to HDMI converters so I could set this whole situation up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't know why, but it just works. What do you think? This guy, that is autofocus. This is why I got the new camera. Doesn't autofocus. There's a face. Here's the camera. That port, that guy. Can you see that guy? That's a full-size HDMI. I can full-size HDMI out of here and into the monitor that I'm using to make sure my hair looks okay. So I got 5 batteries from that camera that I don't need anymore. And now I have 2 HDMI converter cables that I don't need anymore. What else did I buy that is pointless? Oh my God, the they moved the record button. So on that camera, record is an indented little knob right here where your thumb is. I can never tell if I hit it and it actually records, but they moved it for me in my fat fingers. I like how they preset it for video right out of the box. That's kind of clever, Sony, because you want people to know this is a video camera. There's no battery in it. We better give me a battery. A wire that plugs into this. Where's my damn battery though? Okay, we're cool. I have one battery now for the new camera, whatever. ISO, this is ridiculous. I feel like they're messing with me. 80 to 102,400. That is a 6-digit number. Here's one thing that I'm kind of stoked about as an Avid editor. Avid is a little slow to get hip to the new codecs, especially unique frame rates. And let me tell you what caught my eye about this guy. So this guy shoots at 4K, 120 frames a second, but it does some kind of magic voodoo that they call S&Q. So it will create a 120 frame a second shot, but it creates a 24 frames a second video file. And Avid, I think, is gonna love that. I guess I can put a lens on it. This is my 55mm prime. And this is my brand new $3,500 camera. Did you hear that? We're just ripping and gripping here. The first photo on any, I don't have a, oh, I have to do the whole setup thing. English, date and time. 2020, nope, 2021. The sequel. We got a touchscreen situation going on here, people. I'm not saying I didn't know that. Can I touchscreen buttons or is it just focus? Menu. That's touchscreen. This is the future here, people. We got 4 to 10-bit, 8-bit, frame rate, 60, 30, 24, 120. This is the greatest day of my life. I recently got married. Still the greatest day of my life. But I have no memory card in it. And I have 1% battery on the new battery that just came in the box. I wonder how long it's been in the box. What? I don't even know how to put the card in, to be honest with you. Oh, ooh. It essentially tells you down and out. So now we're working with both an SD and a CF card slot. I might even need some new memory cards because the ones I have are for the old camera. And I think that'll work. Whatever, that's a problem we can solve next. I'm glad I did this. Battery's dead, no card in it. Oh, it's so crispy though. So we've unboxed our new best friend here, and now it is time to A, charge the battery that was not charged when I got it, B, learn how to use it, and C, make something dope. I just get excited, you know, I want to do some stuff. That's why I got the camera. Let's do it.